Hey guys, Czar here back with you. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. There's my trade this morning. It was a 1 hour charge for all four models. I'll delete that now and we can watch this. News came out, guys. So I got out just before the news on a stop out, and then things went much lower, and that's why we use stop loss orders. That would have been very painful if I was still in that, of course. Dropping strongly now, guys. There is no setup for me here, but I'm watching this very closely. But we're still dropping hard here, guys. All right, guys, we're back. And as you can see, we've been in free fall here since the news at 10 a.m. right there. And now pulling back in an orderly way. I'm going back to my 30-second chart here, guys. If we can get a 21 EMA tag or pretty close, I may look for a short here. Again, this is my second time using the 30-second chart here today, guys. This is just a marker. For now, stop above this shift candle, 30-second candle, above the 21 EMA. Sell stop order, guys. Sell stop order right there. Here we go. And I'm in. I am in. I don't know if we're going to get more than about 1 hour out of this, but I'm going to track the four models anyway. Here we go. And target one has been hit, guys, and so the 1 hour all or nothing trader has left the game with full profitability. And the 2 hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has moved their stop to break even because we hit 1 hour. So now it's just the 1.5 hour and the 2 hour all or nothing trader is looking to see if they can make some money here today as well. So why am I short here, gang? Well, we've had a bearish engulfing flip here on the daily. It wasn't engulfing when I entered, but it was certainly a bearish body. It turned from very strong white to strong blue at that point. We, of course, had the bearish news that came out at 10 a.m. I had a long above, was taken out here on my stop, and then slammed through like a hot knife through butter. The open range 9 and 21 flipped very bearish very quickly here. Momentum was clearly flipping to the downside, just like it has on prior Fridays, guys, or previous Fridays. Of course, the 30-minute chart here, of course, too, guys, a rejection wick right into last week's high of the week, and this very bearish flipping candle from last Friday. There it is, guys, what we were talking about in terms of Friday price action. And so just pulling back here, guys, this is a 30-second chart. I used a 30-second chart to enter up here. I used a 30-second chart to enter here, and not even waiting for the 21 EMAs to be hit, which I usually wait for, guys. But with Trump in power, as was the case in his first term, it changes the footwork, the dynamic, the tempo, the rhythm of the dance, and we need to be nimble and flexible with it. It doesn't mean we're going to get it right. It doesn't mean there aren't going to be some model change-up pains that come along with that, but it's all about really trying to get in line with and in sync with the new dance, and that's what we're dealing with here. On a normal day, by the way, guys, I would not be using the 30-second chart. In fact, I sometimes go from a 1 minute up to a 2 or a 3 minute chart, as you've seen me do. Generally the 1 minute chart, but you get the idea. But sometimes you need to dig a little bit deeper here, guys, and work with what the market is presenting. And we're back, guys, and as you can see, the 2 hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has been stopped out at break even because we came all the way back to break even. So now we'll wait and see if we're going to come all the way back and take these two models out, or if they're going to continue down and make some money here. All right, guys, the 1.5 hour all or nothing trader has left the game with full profits. And the 2R all-or-nothing trader has left the game with full profitability. And so none of the models lost money, guys. Break even for the 2R move stopped to break even at 1R, and the other 3 models were fully profitable. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Have an amazing weekend.